Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA 515 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically all we have to do is to enter a special secret code which will open a particular section which will allow us basically to check the serial number. And the code for it is *#06#. And as you can see, basically immediately we've got the serial number of this device. So basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number in your NOKIA 515. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.